Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you Bitbuy not working fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar, simply type in Bitbuy. And now check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the version to the latest app will fix the issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you can do is head over, go back and then open up settings, and once you're inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now scroll down and then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down and then find Bitbuy. Let's just assume this CapCut app is Bitbuy app, and once you're inside here, you'll be provided with two options, that is upload app and delete app. So what you need to do is tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the glitches and bugs that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that process is done, tap on delete app, and once that process is done, all you gotta do is restart your app and then try again. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.